Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. And yes, Free Watch Face Tuesday has came early. Let's check it out. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. And yes, today we got some free watch faces for you all to check out. So let's go ahead, let's take a look. Now the name of the watch face is called Rabo Camo 006. It's not a bad look at all. And always on mode, you're going to get the same look. It's just going to be dimmed down. But for the Gears 2, you're going to get a slightly different look than you would compared to the Gears 3. But all the same, you're going to get the important information needed to be seen at a glance. Now, once the watch face is turned on, I like the unique design. The layout is very different on this watch face. You get an analog small clock at the top. Now, if you look flanked on both sides, slightly down, here you can go to your text messages, you can get into your settings this way. That was pretty nice. I like that. You come down, you got your step status info, calories burned, steps, floors climbed, and your heart rate. Dead center, you're gonna get your date. Also, you're gonna get a 24-hour digital time. I thought that was pretty cool for those of you all who like military time, right? So the other thing you can do with this watch face is double tap, and you can change the color of the watch face around the bezel of the watch. I thought that was pretty cool. You get several in all that you can change it to give it a different look. What do you think, guys? Considering that it is free for the taking for a limited time offer, this is the one that normally comes on Monday. Download this as soon as you can. All right, you all, let's go ahead. Let's check out watch face number 2. Now number 2 is called Rabo Sport 004. Very nice look. I like the design of this one, right? Now in the always on mode, you're gonna get a good look. It's gonna be dimmed down pretty much, but you're still gonna get your analog digital time at a glance. It's not bad at all. But once the watch face is on, what I thought was very nice about this watch face is that it gives you a starry night, gives you a moon phase. I like that look, and you get the day right there, and you also get a smooth second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. I thought that wasn't a bad look. And on this side, you can't see it because of the long hand, but that's going to be your date. You come down, you got your time in digital, so you pretty much get the best of both worlds. And I like the layout of this little box because it gives you information on your battery life, your steps, and your heart rate, the important things that matter. But what I like also is if I double tap, I can change the color of the little box with the time in it. I thought that was very nice. The customize, check it out. Cycle through a few of them, just to give you an idea what you're in for once you download this watch face. I thought that was pretty cool, and you get a couple of shortcuts as well. I say go in, check it out. If you like it, keep it. All right, you all, let's check out watch face number 3. Now number 3 is called Rabo Simple 004. Very nice looking watch face. Compared to the other two, this one is different but yet nice. Now in the always on mode, I'm liking the look of this in the always on mode, maybe a little bit better than when the watch face is on. I like the glow in the dark type of look. It also gives you your time and your day at the top. I'm liking the design of this one. Now when the watch face is on, by all means, this is a good looking watch face. I like the uniqueness and the design of this one. So at the top, you're gonna get the day of the week, you're gonna get your step and your heart rate info in the same box. This is an analog watch face. You get 2 dials. The one on the left is gonna give you your battery percentage. The one on the right is gonna give you your step goal completed. This is a good look. You come all the way down to the bottom, you got 24-hour digital time. So you get the best of both worlds with this watch face, which is great. And you get a nice looking great second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. Now what I like most about this watch face that I thought was different, if I double tap, it changes the theme of the indexes going around the bezel of the watch. I do it again, you got yellow. You got a few and all that you can cycle through, but I thought it was definitely a good look and worthy of a download. What do you guys think? Are you gonna download these watch faces? Because in my opinion, considering that it's free, it is worthy of a download. All right, you all, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe. And as always, I'm gonna see you all at the next video. Take care.